Lecture 6: Collaboration and Teamwork in ClickUp. Now that you have learned how to organize your tasks and projects, it's time to learn one of ClickUp's most powerful features: collaboration. Whether you're working on a group project for class, managing a team at work, or collaborating with clients, ClickUp makes it easy to communicate, share tasks, and stay aligned on goals. In today's lecture, we'll focus on how to collaborate effectively using ClickUp's tools. We'll cover how to assign tasks, comment on work, share documents, and communicate in real time with your teammates, all within ClickUp. These tools are designed to streamline teamwork and keep everyone on the same page. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to assign tasks to teammates and manage who is responsible for what. Use comments and mentions to communicate effectively within tasks. Share documents and files with your team. Use real-time collaboration features to stay connected with teammates even when working remotely. Let's learn how ClickUp can enhance teamwork and make collaboration seamless. Assigning tasks to team members. One of the first things you will do when collaborating in ClickUp is assign tasks. Whether you're managing a project or contributing to a larger initiative, assigning tasks ensure that everyone knows what they are responsible for. How to assign tasks. When you create a task in ClickUp, you can assign it to one or more team members. To do this, you can just create a new task in here, add task, and for example name it as third lecture, for example, and click on save. Here you can either type in the name of the person you want to assign the task to, or click on the assign button to choose team members from your workspace. So for example, you just want to assign the task to this person, you can just click on that, and this task is assigned to that specific person. Task ownership. When a task is assigned to someone, that person becomes responsible for completing it. ClickUp makes it easy to track who is doing what, so no task is overlooked. You can also add due dates, priorities, and tags to tasks to ensure clarity around expectations and deadlines. For example, you can just add due date in here, and for example, the due date is next weekend or this weekend. You can just click on 11, and priority is normal, or you can just change it to high, and description is this is the third lecture course, and you can add tags as well. For example, you can just tag as third lecture and ClickUp course. So you have added tags as well. Assigning subtasks. Sometimes a task is too large to tackle in one go. In these cases, you can break the task into subtasks and assign those to different team members. This is perfect for managing complex projects that have multiple components. For example, if the main task is launch marketing campaign, subtasks might include design graphics, write blog post, and create social media posts, each assigned to different individuals. For example, in this case, you can just click on that to create a subtask. For example, you just rename it as group assignment, and you just assign it to yourself, and due date is Monday next week, and priority is low, and click on save. Using comments and mentions for communication. Communication is key in any team project, and ClickUp offers a great way to stay in touch with your team directly within tasks. Commenting on tasks. Each task in ClickUp has a dedicated comment section where team members can share updates, provide feedback, or ask questions. This keeps all the communication related to a specific task within the task itself, making it easy to track conversations. To comment on a task, you can just click on any task. For example, you are working on this one, and you have this section, and you can make a comment. For example, let me know about all the updates on this task, and press enter. So you have made a comment that is shown to everyone in the team. Mentions. Sometimes you need to call someone's attention to a specific task or issue. ClickUp's mention features allow you to tag a team member in a comment, which will notify them directly. For example, if you want to ask a colleague for feedback on a design, you can comment in here as, for example, you can press @ and name of the team member, and you can just write in here as please update on your task and press enter. So you have mentioned the specific person that is in your team and you want that specific person to respond as soon as possible. This ensures that the right person sees your message and can respond quickly. Real-time updates. As soon as someone adds a comment or mentions you, ClickUp sends you a real-time notification. This keeps everyone updated and ensures you never miss important information. If you're working remotely or managing a distributed team, this feature is particularly helpful to stay aligned without needing to send constant emails. Sharing documents and files. ClickUp also makes it easy to share documents and files with your team, reducing the need to use multiple tools for file sharing. Attaching files to tasks. You can upload documents directly to a task by clicking the attachment icon in the task window. Here you can see, you can just click on this icon and attach a file from your PC, Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, Google Drive and from new Google Doc as well. This could be anything from Word documents, PDFs, spreadsheets and images. Attaching files ensures that everything related to the task is in one place. Integration with cloud services. ClickUp integrates with cloud storage services like Google Drive and Dropbox. For example, when you just click on that, so you have access to Google Drive and Dropbox and OneDrive as well. So you can easily attach files from your cloud storage without needing to download or upload them manually. Simply click on the Google Drive icon in the task and choose the file you want to attach. Task and document sharing. You can also share tasks or documents with external parties, such as clients or contractors, by sending them a shareable link. This link provides limited access, so you can control who sees what. For that, you can just click on share, and you can just invite them as well, and you can just have a share link with anyone as well. You can just click on that, turn it on, and anyone with the link will have access to this task. You just copy public link in here, and you can just share it with anyone at any platform. Real-time collaboration and notifications. Collaboration in ClickUp is not just about assigning tasks and leaving comments. It's also about staying in sync with your team in real time. Notifications. ClickUp sends notifications whenever there is an update related to your tasks, such as new comments, changes in task status, or when someone mentions you. For that, you can just click on this bell icon and you will have all the notifications in this place. These notifications are a great way to stay informed without constantly checking your tasks. Mentions and task updates. Whenever you are mentioned in a task or task assigned to you is updated, ClickUp will send you a notification. This helps keep communication efficient and ensures that you are always in the loop. Mobile app. For teams working remotely, ClickUp's mobile app ensures that you can stay connected and receive updates on the go. The app allows you to comment, assign tasks, and keep track of progress from anywhere.